Looking for the best ball pits? In this video we look at some of the top 3 ball pits on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. EocuSun, Indoor-Outdoor Ball Pit and Pop-Up Tent. Pros: tent provides shaded outdoor ball pit fun. Breathable mesh sides allows for air circulation and visibility. Pop-up design is quick and easy to assemble or disassemble. Offers little ones a novel yet safe hideaway ball pit experience. Cons: balls must be bought separately. Bottom line: a versatile option that doubles as a tent. At number 2. Sonyabecca, 3-in-1 Ball Pit. Pros: large setup includes ball pit, tunnel, and tent playhouse. Extended configuration promotes movement necessary for muscle development and improves motor skills. Roomy ball pit features a basketball hoop. See-through mesh panels are breathable and offer hassle-free supervision. Durable and easy to clean. Cons: takes up quite a bit of space. However, the ball pit and tent can always be used separately. Bottom line: so much more than just a ball pit, this set will keep little ones busy for hours on end. Unbeatable value for money. At number 1. Zhcheng, Folding Princess Ball Pit Tent. Pros: super cute design makes a great addition to a little girl's room or playroom. Large enough to accommodate a couple of friends or siblings. Provides shade for outdoor use. Transparent mesh sides keep little ones from feeling isolated while they play. Cons: gender-specific design is limiting for parents of both boys and girls. Bottom line: the perfect ball pit castle for any little princess. A pretty option for little girls. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.